In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets. Whether you're using Google Sheets for creating lists, organizing data, or simply making your spreadsheet look more polished, adding bullet points can enhance readability and presentation. Plus, it's a simple skill that can make your work look professional and organized. Let's get started. First, open up Google Sheets in your web browser. You'll want to have your spreadsheet ready where you'd like to insert bullet points. You can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. This setup will ensure that you have the right document open as you proceed with the next steps. Now, to insert bullet points, we first need a bullet symbol. So, head over to Google and simply search for bullet symbol. This search will bring up a variety of bullet symbols you can choose from. You might find different styles and designs, so feel free to pick one that fits the aesthetic you're going for, or just go with the standard one if you prefer. After finding a bullet symbol you like, select it and copy it to your clipboard. This is as simple as highlighting the symbol and either right-clicking to select copy, or using a shortcut like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Once that's done, head back over to your open Google Sheets. Here's the fun part: pasting what we've copied into your Google Sheet. Click on the cell where you'd like to start your bullet list. Once you've clicked into the cell, paste the bullet symbol. This can be done by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using shortcuts like Ctrl+V or Command+V, depending on your operating system. Now your cell has the bullet point symbol ready to use. Next, you might want to add some text after your bullet symbol or replicate the bullet across cells. Click inside the cell with the bullet, and make sure you highlight the bullet if you plan to duplicate it alongside other data. Adding text is straightforward. Start typing right next to the bullet symbol. To replicate the bullet in other cells, you can copy the cell and paste it as required throughout your spreadsheet. Finally, to add context or categorize your bullet points, such as listing fruits or other items, ensure each bullet entry follows the format we've established. Simply type the item name after your bullet in each cell. The result will be a neatly organized list of bulleted entries, enhancing the overall look and feel of your Google Sheets document. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've turned your plain list into a more structured and visually appealing document by using bullet points. This method is not only easy, but also a great way to improve the clarity and impact of your presentations within Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your upcoming projects.